Scene script. Hey everyone, and welcome to. Today, we're taking a closer look at something we take for granted every day, our fingernails and toenails. Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts about these tiny wonders on our fingertips and toes. Ever wondered what your nails are made of? Believe it or not, they're composed of the same protein as your hair, keratin. But nails are much tougher because the keratin molecules are arranged differently, making them more resilient. This might sound strange, but your nails are actually dead cells. The growth you see happens because new cells are constantly produced underneath the nail plate, pushing the older ones forward. Not all nails grow at the same speed. Your fingernails, especially the one on your middle finger, tend to be the fastest growers, averaging around 3.5 millimeters a month. Toenails, on the other hand, are much slower, growing at about half the speed. Did you know your nails might be secretly sunbathing with you? Studies suggest that sunlight exposure might play a role in nail growth. Soaking up some rays could give your nails a little boost. Feeling overwhelmed? Your nails might show it. Stress can affect nutrient flow in your body, which can sometimes lead to weaker, brittle nails. Scene script. Nail care is nothing new. Believe it or not, people have been decorating their nails for thousands of years. The earliest evidence of nail polish dates back to 3000 BC in China. Our nails can actually be a window into our overall health. Ridges, dents, or discoloration can sometimes indicate underlying health conditions. If you notice any significant changes, it's always a good idea to consult a doctor. Nail biting is a common habit, but did you know it has a fancy scientific name? It's called onychophagia, onychophagia. So there you have it. These are just a few of the amazing facts about our fingernails and toenails. They may seem simple, but they're pretty incredible little structures. Did any of these facts surprise you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative content. Thanks for joining me, and see you next time.